Good morning guys, it's me Alex Magana, and today I am going to show you the problem of this brake light sensor. If you encounter this in your car, then this video will might help you to solve the problem, and it will save you a lot of money. Like if you buy the brake light sensor, the brake light sensor will cost you like from $30 to $40 like that, plus the mechanic charge, so plus maybe like $50 or $60 like for home service. So it will save you like more than $100 or less than $100. So in this video I will show you the simple tricks and tips using improvised tape and the screw and some plastic or metal thing. Let me show you. Okay guys, so we are now in this area inside of the car. So I'm going to show you where the brake light sensor is. So we have two pedal here. This one is the gas, for gas, and this one is for the brake. So the brake light sensor is located on top of this brake pedal. So in here, so this is the brake light sensor pin. This is made of plastic. So once you press the pedal, it will disengage, and once you stop on pressing the pedal, then it will engage. So the work of this pin is to engage and disengage, and this is the brake light sensor switch parts or assembly. So this okay, let me show you how to fix this problem. Okay guys, so this is the thing that broken in front of the plastic pin of the sensor. That's why the light is keeps on. So I'm going to use the tape. This is actually this is a painting tape, but if you have electrical tape, then you can use that also, like the 3M tape. That's a better one, but in this video it's just to give you an idea how to make other solution just in case that happened to you in the middle of the road. So in here I can use this also. This screw, we will put this on that. See that? You see that? Okay, so here, oops, okay guys, so you see the plastic thing now, the plastic pin. So it has something now to hit on the, okay guys, so it has tape on it now. So, and see, okay, engage and disengage and disengage. So let us check now on the tail light if the light is still coming on. Let's go. Okay, so okay, so it's okay now. So guys, I hope this video will save you a lot of money and easy steps. Okay, so we don't need to use this anymore because the screw that I put in is good enough to solve the problem. So guys, if you are new to my channel, please click subscribe and hit the bell icon for more notification and updates regarding my future videos that I'm going to upload. So thank you guys.